When you send a scheduler through the workflow, you'll unlock the ability to use appointment date triggers on future actions in the same workflow. This video covers 3 appointment-based triggers: after an appointment is scheduled, before an appointment start time, and after an appointment has ended. Just a heads up, these appointment-based triggers are not meant for sending appointment confirmation or reminder emails. Automated emails related to the appointment get set up directly inside the scheduler template. Additionally, all 3 appointment-based triggers are not compatible with schedulers embedded on a website or sent outside of a workflow. These triggers can only watch a scheduler sent through the workflow. The trigger after an appointment is scheduled will run an action after the scheduler sent earlier in the workflow is used to book an appointment. This trigger is great for creating a new task after an appointment is booked. When you select this trigger, an additional field will appear where you'll need to identify the specific scheduler Dubsado will watch. The only options available here will be schedulers previously sent through the same workflow. The trigger before an appointment start time runs relative to when an appointment is set to start. It's good for situations where you want something to happen in close proximity to the actual appointment, which may have been booked far in advance. When you're setting up this trigger, don't forget to identify the specific scheduler Dubsado will watch. The trigger after an appointment has ended runs relative to when an appointment is set to end. It's great to help you follow up after a meeting. Just like the previous triggers, you'll need to identify the specific scheduler Dubsado will watch. If the appointment is rescheduled, any triggers watching the start or end of the appointment will be updated based on the new appointment time unless the action has already run. If an appointment is canceled, each action watching that appointment will turn gray in the workflow and be skipped. Here's a tip. All 3 appointment-based triggers will work for both schedulers and scheduler groups. If you choose a scheduler group, the action will trigger as soon as the client schedules an appointment through any scheduler in that group.